All right, Dowan sent me these for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. This is the Dowan large serving set. Porcelain. I'm excited to check these out. Yeah, they did a good job packaging this stuff. Perfectly, these bowls are all nested inside of each other with cardboard. What a nice job they did on this. There's one, look at that, two, and the large guy. Oh, wow. Check these guys out. We've got the large, medium, and small plates for the serving set. Where's my tape measure? See how long these things are. We got 16-inch, 14-inch, and 12-inch. 7 inches across, a little over 7, 9.5, and 8 inches. These things are sharp. Nice white porcelain. Very heavy and durable feeling porcelain serving plates. Wow. It's textured on the bottom to keep it from sliding. And we've got, yeah, just, wow, very nice. Look at that. Same thing on the bottom here. It's got that kind of a rough texture to keep it from sliding around on you. And the same thing here, of course, obviously. One of the cool features on these things is it has this rim that comes up around here to keep food from spilling over. So that's going to be cool. This would be great for a dinner party or, boy, making sushi, something like that. A lot of room here. This would be great for Thanksgiving. You can just feel the quality of these when you're holding on to them. I've done a couple of Dowan products and they make good stuff. I did some of the nesting bowls and the colors are so wonderful. Yeah, so here these things are sitting on the kitchen counter. Be perfect for like a holiday feast type setting. Pretty much everything you need you can put onto these 3 trays, depending on the size of your family. Great for a dinner party. You can put sandwiches on here, all kinds of stuff. Spread a nice layout for your guests. Obviously, it should be great for sushi trays with this lip on here. Nothing's gonna fall out of there, but pretty awesome. When we're done with them, we can just stack them up together. They nest inside of each other, and they don't take up a whole lot of room at all. And you can store them away in your cupboard, your cabinet, or wherever you want to put them. But these things are pretty awesome. Nice, sweet Dowan porcelain serving trays. Very, very nice looking, very high quality in my opinion, and I really like these things. I'm going to take these over to my mom's, and she's probably going to steal them. They're pretty awesome. Check them out.